Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, in this question we need to discuss about earthquakes as well as volcanoes. The question is that it is specific to certain zone or it is spread out randomly. Earthquake and volcanoes are not spread out randomly over all the surface. It is specific to certain zones, especially tectonic plates. So, as per plate tectonics, the plates are in constant motion when they interact along their margins. Critical geological process takes place, such as the formation of mountain belts, earthquakes, and volcanoes. Plate tectonics confirms that there are four types of seismic zones. The first follows the line of mid-ocean ridges, and the second type of earthquake, two plates are scraping by one another, causing intense friction and tremendous stress to be relieved by earthquakes. So, due to friction. Then third type of earthquake is related to the collision of ocean and continental plates. The fourth type of zone occurs along the boundaries of continental plates. Within this zone, intense compression takes place. So because of all these four activities, earthquakes takes place at a specific zone, that is tectonic plates. And then coming to the volcanic activities, at the divergent or constructive boundary, the plates are moving apart. As the plate move apart, here magma, that is hot liquid, rises from the mantle and erupts on the surface of the earth. Constructive boundaries tend to be found under the sea, that is mid-Atlantic ridge. So because of this magma rises, volcano eruption occurs. And similarly, at a convergent or destructive boundary, the plate move towards each other, usually continental and oceanic plates. As the oceanic plate is forced below the continental plate, it melts to form magma. So here melting takes place. Magma which collects to form a magma chamber. As pressure build up, a volcanic eruption occur from magma chamber. Thus, the relation between plate tectonics and the distribution of volcanoes worldwide is also evident, as many volcanoes are present around the Pacific Ring of Fire. Therefore, the region is at tectonic plates, that is Pacific Ring of Fire. From all these things, we can conclude that earthquake as well as volcanoes are not randomly spread, but they are specific to zones. Hope you got the answer. Thank you.